Do you want to have your own hacking lab? Or you don't have the money to pay for online platforms to practice hacking? No worries, I got your back. In this video, I will guide you on how to install and configure Metasploitable 2 in your Windows machine. I will cover what is it, how to download it, how to configure it, and how you can use it to practice your hacking skills. Before moving on, don't forget to hack the YouTube algorithm by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. That's a big support for me. Thank you, and let's go. First of all, what is Metasploitable 2? Metasploitable 2 is an intentionally vulnerable virtual machine that is designed to demonstrate common vulnerabilities and how to exploit them. In simple words, it's a testing environment that you can practice your penetration testing skills and red teaming skills. By hacking and breaking into this vulnerable machine, you will have an idea on how to hack and approach a real-life target. It's created by Rapid7, the company behind the Metasploit framework, which is a great tool for hacking. You can download Metasploitable 2 either from Rapid7 website or sourceforge.net website. So now that we know what is it and what is used for, let's download and install the Metasploitable 2. First, we need to download the Metasploitable 2 on your Windows machine. So open your browser, search for Metasploitable, and click on the first link, Metasploitable download from the sourceforge.net. Once you're on the website, come here to Files, and also Metasploitable 2, and you can just click on this zip file to download it. It's about 865 megabytes. It will take you about at least 5 to 10 minutes, or maybe more or less, depending on your internet speed. So the download will start shortly. So it may take some time to download. While you're waiting, don't forget to hack the YouTube algorithm by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. So see you when it's downloaded. The download has finished and I have it here. So if I click on this, it's a zip archive file. I have to unzip this one. So I'm using Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10 or before that, maybe Windows 7, you can use 7-zip or any program to unzip it. So I'm gonna extract it on the location here and wait for it to finish. So it's almost done. Okay, so if I go back here, as you can see, it's extracted, and inside this we have all the files that we need for Metasploitable 2. So now let's open the VMware. If you're using VirtualBox, you can proceed to the same steps. So let's open a virtual machine. We are not creating a new virtual machine. The VMware or the Metasploit is a virtual machine itself. So we're gonna just open it. Open a virtual machine and Metasploitable Linux 2, Metasploitable 2, and here is the virtual machine or VMware virtual machine file configuration. Open it and it will add the virtual machine to your library, and you can just click on play virtual machine to start the virtual machine. Okay, I copied it. We have to wait just a few moments to boot up. It will not take too much time, just a few seconds to a minute or so. So now the machine is up you can just log in with this credentials, msf admin, so msf admin, and the password is, sorry, msf admin as well. And now you have the virtual machine running on your system. Now if you check for the IP address, you can just type fconfig here. The IP address is 192.168.227.129. So if you want to exit from the from the VMware or the virtual, or you want to release your mouse, you can just press Ctrl and Alt. You will have your mouse released, and if you want it back, just click here and you can type. But if you don't press Alt and Control, you cannot release your mouse from the virtual machine. So here, let me open this, my browser, and let's see if we can access it from here. Sorry, the IP address is 192.168.227.129. So I wanted to mention something else, that here it's the network adapter 2 and I am the host and I can only access this. So if you open this, it mentions that never expose this virtual machine to untrusted network, because this virtual machine is vulnerable, so you may get hacked. So now we have the multi-led vulnerable web application, and also dumb web vulnerable web application. So if you let me open link in new tab, you can see we have access to this vulnerable web application, and also we have the dumb vulnerable web application as well. So you can test your hacking skills, or practice your hacking skills, or practice web application penetration testing on this web application, and you have your own home lab for hacking to practice. Let's say if we can access it from the Kali Linux. I have installed Kali Linux as an application on my Windows, because my Windows is the system is a little bit slow, so I can't run virtual machine. It's a little bit laggy, so it's for me easy to run it through an application, just the we can say the terminal or the CLI. Let's just ping 192.168.227.129. Okay, let me provide my password. As you can see, we can have access to this vulnerable web application through our what we can say, Kali Linux as well. So let me cancel that. So now you can perform any kind of web application testing, from reconnaissance to exploitation to post-exploitation, and much more on this vulnerable web applications. So that would be the purpose of the next video on how to use this and how to practice our web application penetration testing on this vulnerable web applications. So make sure to turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and I will do so. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also, as mentioned, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new video. See you in the next video.